Day 3.
Morning, folks.
Healthy fitness choice.
Get the workouts in.
Going for a cold dip after this.
Already did one.
Same.
Cold shower.
No surprise there.
Guys, it's important to get your workout in early so there's no excuses at the end of a long day.
Exactly.
And stay tuned to see how much more workout Jake, me, and Kara do on the job site in Wainfleet.
Day 3 is upon us.
That's right, guys.
See you soon.
Hey guys, Steve,
Jake.
GTA Property Partners, Fire Marshal Bob here. Safety first. We're going to be taking down the ceiling here. The best way to access for the plumbers doing their work on Wednesday is from the bottom. We're adding, just above this area is the master, so we're adding a master shower in that corner and toilet and vanity here. So stay tuned. We're going to rip this bad boy down.
Yeah.